Welcome to the second course installment of Fitness and Exercise Essentials. We will mainly be discussing how to create appropriate workouts that target specific muscle groups, but we will also address key terms that you should know and some basic information on safeguards you can take to ensure a positive workout experience. Please understand that this is not everything you could possibly know about exercise. However, it is a solid foundation on which to build your understanding. Before we begin, it is important to first ask yourself two questions. What do I want to achieve, and what is my current level of fitness? The answer to the first question should be fairly easy to come up with, whether it be a six-pack, lose 20 pounds, be able to complete a 5K under a certain time, or just to simply begin being more active. The second question, however, can be more difficult to address. Some people may be able to run for miles and miles, but lack body strength. Some students may be able to deadlift a heavy load, but lack flexibility or aerobic endurance. For our study, we will use a basic 3-minute step test to assess our level of fitness. While this measures your aerobic capacity mainly, it will give you an understanding of where you are as you strive for your fitness goals. You will need a clock or a stopwatch, a smartphone timer will work, a 12-inch or stair step, and a metronome. You can find a free metronome in the App Store if you have an iPhone, or you can find one online. Set the metronome to 96 beats per minute and make sure you can hear the beat. Stand facing the step. When ready, begin. Start the clock or stopwatch and march up and down on the step to the metronome beat. Up, up, down, down for 3 consecutive minutes. You can rest if you need to, but remain standing. When 3 minutes are up, stop immediately, sit down on the step, and count your pulse. Use your wrist or your neck for this. And count this for 1 full minute. This test assesses your current fitness level based on how quickly your heart recovers after exercise. The fitter you are, the quicker your heart rate will return to normal after exercise. Hopefully, you found the answers to your questions without much trouble, and now you are ready to learn how to create a workout routine to reach your fitness goals.